Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I got to ask this question. On Gmail, can I restore a deleted email? And before I answer this question by showing you what Gmail and Google Workspace says, hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot more videos coming out on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail. So the question to me really was put this way is, can I restore a deleted email that I deleted 3 years ago? The answer is clearly no, but I want to show why I can state the answer is clearly no. Look, if you go right here and you say, I want to get rid of this message, click on the message, hit delete, boom, it's out of my inbox, okay? I can go to sent items. If I no longer want that email, click on it, hit delete, boom, it's out of my sent items. But here's where it is. It's over here under trash. You see the structure of Gmail messaging, which is the same structure for Google Workspace. You have all mail, and everything above that that's mail related is in all mail. And now below all mail, there's a box for spam. That's not in all mail. And below spam, there's a box for trash that again is neither in all mail nor is it in spam. It's a box by itself. Look at the spam box. It clearly says right here, messages that have been in spam for 30 days will be automatically deleted. Not put in the trash, deleted. Bye-bye, gone. Look right here in the trash. Click on the trash folder. It says right here clearly, messages that have been in trash for 30 days will be automatically deleted. That doesn't mean move to another folder where you can find them. That means bye-bye, they're gone. So the fact of that statement and how clear that statement is emphatically stating they're gone. Now, I did some research. And said this, notes about deleted emails. This is a Gmail message. Let's see, we can get the date for this thing. I don't see the actual date of this article, but it's referencing 2021. As of June 2021 is what it's referencing. Look what it says here about deleted mails. If you delete an email, it stays in trash for 30 days. After 30 days, it's gone. It also says there is only one copy of every Gmail email. If you delete it from one place, such as in a label or on this device, it's completely gone from Gmail. Okay, because there's only one copy of it, no matter where you're seeing it. Also says Gmail groups, all replies to original email together in a single conversation. When you click or tap to delete a conversation, it's bye-bye. In Gmail, okay? Spam emails. If you mark an email as spam, it stays in the folder for 30 days. After 30 days, it's bye-bye. And if you think emails are being sent to spam by mistake, you need to learn how to remove them from spam so they don't go away. Look, Gmail is not your end-all, catch-all for everything you want. Google Workspace is not your file cabinet for everything you want to be kept there until you're ready to get it. Specifically, if you put it in the trash can, and specifically if you put it in the spam trash can. Google Workspace and Gmail have systems that automatically empty those out every 30 days. And there's no going back and getting them. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. Understand these rules and you'll manage your email much better.